Good day everyone. Today, we will be coding a Java program that continuously asks the user to enter their age until they enter a valid positive number, whether they are eligible to vote or not. So first, we have to put import java.util.scanner. Specify the package and class being imported, in which this code app has used the Java util package. Then, as you can see, we already have our public access modifier. This allows this method to be called from anywhere, and our static indicates that this method belongs to the class rather than instance of the class. And also void to return type, indicating that this method does not return any value. And then the main, it's the name of the method that serves as the entry point for the program. And we also have string, and next is a square bracket, and then args. This parameter representing an array of string argument passed to the program. Next is a scanner. Scanner equals new scanner, parenthesis, then inside it is a system dot in close, then close, then semicolon. While is a keyword to start a while loop. Inside the parenthesis, we have a not operator. A not variable is the inclination sign that you see inside the parenthesis, right in the first in the word exit. But in Java, it is called not operator, or in short, not. The next system that out.print. This prints the specific message to the console. Example, please enter your age. Once the code is run, it will be represented in the console. In our while loop, we have the not operator scanner that has next in. Condition for the loop, check if the input is not an integer. It will means not. Then next we have to put the system.out println. Println has a big difference in print. For println, prints a new line every time the code is run, while print only prints the arguments in a straight line. Then next, the scanner.next parenthesis consumes that. Then next is in age, declares a variable named age of the type integer. In short, it will be assigned an operator. Scanner.nextIn reads the next integer input from. Then to the next is the system.outPrintln, in which if the age is in a low grade, it will be printed invalid age. Then next will be inputting continue, keyword to skip the remaining code in the current loop iteration and start the next iteration. If age is greater than equal to 18, that's the keyword F, keywords to start an F statement. If age is greater than equal to 18, the condition to check if age is greater than or equal to 18, in which this system.out.println, it will print that you are eligible to vote. Then we'll be inputting our curly braces, then else, then add another curly braces keyword to specify an alternative block of code to be executed if the condition is false. And then we'll just have to repeat the code. Age is less than 12 is equivalent to you are still not eligible to vote. Then age is less than equal to 17, still not eligible to vote. And then else, if age is less than or equal to 60, you are eligible and you are an adult or a senior citizen. Then next, we have to make our exit sign for the code. In order to do that, we must create a system that print, specify message to the console, then backward slash new line. This new line character to move to the next line. Then you have to put, do you want to exit? Then the option yes or no. Then next, you have to create the string response equals scanner.next parentheses, then semicolon. This string response declare a variable name response of type string because the assignment operator, then the scanner.next parentheses reads the next input from the user and assign it to the response. If keyword to start, if F statement response equal, ignore case yes, method calls to check if the response is equal, yes, ignoring case. Then you have to put exit equals to true. Exit and is equals to true sets the exit variable to true, causing the while loop to end.